Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Roblox error code 285. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually it occurs when the Roblox client failed to connect to the game instance. It's often linked to connection issues, corrupted files, or something blocking Roblox from running properly. So let's fix it. So our first step is to check the connections. In that, we are going to check whether we had connected to the VPN or not. If in case we are connected, we need to remove that. For that, you need to enter into your networks, click VPN, and here it states there is no VPN is connected, so it's good to go. If in case you are connected, please disconnect that one, and after you're done, just click system and do the troubleshoot. For that, you need to enter into the other troubleshoot, and here it shows like network and the internet. Please run the troubleshoot for that. Yeah, here it says there is no problem. If in case you had a problem, please click to solve that and run the network test. And also you need to restart your Wi-Fi or network adapter and plug in and plug out your router, and this may helps you to get the better connection. And once you're done, please restart your system. After that, we are going into the second step. For that, you need to press Windows R and type control firewall.cpl and click OK. Yeah, here you need to click allow an app. Here you need to find the Roblox and check whether the public and private is enabled or not. If not, please enable that one. Here is good to go. And our next step is to make the Roblox in the administrator mode. For that, please search Roblox and open the file location and right click, enter into the property, and then compatibility, and enable run the program as an administrator. If you need, please run the compatibility troubleshoot. If not, just leave it and then click apply and OK. And now we are into the last step. Our last step is to check the server status. For that, enter into the browser and type status.roblox.com, click Roblox status, and it shows there is no operational issues. If in case it's in red color, in the sense we had some issues from the Roblox maintenance side, so have some patience to wait on it. After once it's done, please restart your system. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.